So for JSP, our third LAQ is directives. JSP directives. So let's see what it is. JSP directives. These are some special kind of instructions that are embedded in within a JSP page. So you are already aware of JSP scriptlets or expressions, right? Unlike those, directives are not part of final output. Like it will not be shown on the client's browser. Instead, it will be like the behind the scenes. It will control the JSP processing. So how the page layout must look, how which resource can we include, which tag library can we include, etc., etc. So in short, it will instruct the web container how to translate the JSP page. All right. So how many types of JSP directives are there? Three: page, include, and taglet. First, we will see. In general, we can write it as like this. We can use this symbol. So first one, JSP page directive. Page directive means it will simply be applied to the entire JSP page. So like it is like a page level attribute. So suppose you want to set any attribute at page level, you can make use of this page attribute page directive. So what is the syntax for this? This percentile modulus, this one, and page attribute equals to under double quotation, whichever attribute and you want to specify, you can do. So let's see an example. Let's say we want to include date date class for this in some particular page. So we will be doing like page import equals to java.util.date. So today is some date. So every day the date will be changing. So today will be some other date, tomorrow other date, like that. So it can be included in the JSP page in the background. Next one is JSP include directive. Include means we can include some other resource, content from other resource, like outside that JSP. Let's say, for example, other JSP file or other HTML file or any other text file. So how do we include that? We can include it by using this syntax: include file equals to resource name. We need to specify the resource name. For example, we have let's say we have header.html, a file, HTML file. All right, we want to include this HTML file to our JSP. How do we do that? This is our JSP code, so we are trying to include it over here. So its name is header.html. So we are including include file equals to header.html. So it is included. Just as simple as that. Then comes third one, tag lib directive. Tag lib stands for tag library. Like whatever tag you want to custom tag you want to make available for JSP page, you can do that. So its syntax is something like this: tag lib URI equals to URI prefix. Like you need to specify the URI. URI is like uniform resource identifier, and prefix is the short name, so that we can distinguish the tag library, right? So it works something like it's let's say, for example, you want to include some tag library, you can do something like this: tag lib URI, we mentioned that URI, then we gave some prefix. It's done. So as simple as that, your one LAQ. Directives on directives. Three directives: page, include, tag lib.